Welcome to the channel, guys, to Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So today, guys, I am in Mandeville, Manchester. Yeah, man, I'm giving a tour of Heart Ease community. So when you're in the Heart Ease community, guys, it's about 7 minutes drive to Mandeville town. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself anywhere when I watch from yard and abroad. You can big up on yourself. You know, so this is on a tour guide Fire Reid. A lot of people forget this community, guys. Yeah, man, so I'm take the time out for showing you what I go on. So leave in the comment section, guys, and tell me what you think about this area. You have some beautiful house out here, guys. Beautiful. Our sweet, sweet island, Jamaica. Yeah, man, in a Mandeville, Manchester, guys. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself anywhere when I watch from. Big up on yourself, man. Yeah, man, thanks for tuning into the channel with your tour guide Fire Reid. You will see a lot of different places in Jamaica, guys. Countryside, town side. So, guys, you can tell me what you think about this beautiful area, guys. Tell me what you think. You can leave it in the comment section. So in the morning time, listen when the rooster cock crowing, guys. It's a very nice sound. Look at the beautiful houses in Mandeville, guys. Look at the view. So guys, I'm taking you back on the main road, guys. So guys, if you learned something about Jamaica, you can comment in the comment section below, guys, and tell me what you think about our beautiful island, guys. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, land we love. So thank you all for watching True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.